This is your sign to stop ordering pizza and make it at home. Love this recipe because it's perfect for any day when you want something homemade, warm, and satisfying. You can use whatever toppings you like. For the toppings, I'm using tomatoes, cheese, a little bit of bell pepper, and sausage. For the sauce, I'm using ketchup and mayonnaise. Simple, but really delicious. Cut all the ingredients into small cubes and evenly spread them over the dough.
Let's go.
Now we're putting the pizza into the oven. While it's baking, I'll cut the cheese into pieces that work best for me. Minutes before it's fully done, I take the pizza out and spread the cheese evenly. This helps prevent the cheese from burning.